Sea moss, the so-called miracle from the ocean. They call it the fountain of youth, packed with 92 minerals your body needs. But before you add sea moss to your smoothie, you need to hear this, because the hidden risks may shock you. Today, we are uncovering the truth about sea moss, including its benefits, potential side effects, and safe usage. Stick with me, because I'll reveal the biggest mistake people make with sea moss that no one talks about. So, what exactly is sea moss? Also called Irish moss, it's a type of red algae found on the Atlantic coasts of North America, Europe, and the Caribbean. For centuries, it's been used as food and medicine. In fact, during the Irish potato famine in the 1800s, thousands survived by eating sea moss when food was scarce. Fast forward to today, and sea moss is making a massive comeback. Celebrities are swearing by it, health coaches are promoting it, and supplement companies are cashing in. But the question is, what does science really say? Let's break down the biggest benefits of sea moss, backed by research and real-world experience. 1. Boosts immunity. Sea moss is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, plus minerals like zinc and iron, all crucial for your immune system. Some studies suggest compounds in sea moss may block certain viruses and bacteria. Imagine having a natural shield inside your body. 2. Improves gut health. Here's the science. Sea moss contains prebiotic fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even better mood. Picture it like fertilizer for your microbiome. 3. Supports thyroid function. Because it's rich in iodine, sea moss helps regulate your thyroid, the gland that controls metabolism, energy, and hormones. But too much iodine? That's where trouble starts, and we'll get to that soon. 4. Enhances skin and hair. Sea moss is loaded with sulfur, which promotes collagen production. That means firmer skin, stronger hair, and healthier nails. Some people even apply sea moss gel directly as a face mask. 5. Boosts energy and recovery. Packed with iron, potassium, and magnesium, sea moss can fight fatigue and support muscle recovery. No wonder athletes are adding it to their post-workout shakes. Now here's where the shocking truth comes in. Sea moss is powerful, but it's not for everyone. And here are the hidden side effects most people never hear about. 1. Too much iodine. Sea moss is loaded with iodine. A little is great for your thyroid, but too much can actually damage it, leading to hyperthyroidism, swelling, or hormone imbalance. 2. Heavy metal contamination. Because sea moss grows in the ocean, it can absorb toxic heavy metals like mercury, arsenic, or lead, depending on where it's harvested. Not all sea moss is safe. 3. Digestive issues. High doses may cause bloating, diarrhea, or cramps, especially if your gut isn't used to that much fiber. 4. Medication interactions. If you're on thyroid medication, blood thinners, or have kidney problems, sea moss can make things worse. Always check with your doctor. Science versus myths. Here's a myth-buster moment. Sea moss is often hyped as curing everything from diabetes to cancer. Let's be clear, there's no solid scientific evidence for those claims yet. Yes, it's nutrient-dense. Yes, it supports health, but it's not a magic pill. Think of it as a powerful supplement, not a miracle cure. How to use it safely and effectively. Gel form. Blend soaked raw sea moss with water, then add a spoonful to smoothies, soups, or teas. Capsules or powder. Easier to measure, but make sure it's from a trusted brand. Recommended amount. Most experts suggest 1 to 2 tablespoons of gel per day, or 500 to 1,000 milligrams if you're taking capsules. Remember, more is not better. Start small, see how your body reacts, and always choose wild-crafted, not pool-grown sea moss. Final truth and takeaway. So here's the shocking truth in one line. Sea moss is a nutrient powerhouse with real health benefits, but it also comes with risks if you overdo it or buy poor quality products. Used wisely, it can boost your immunity, energy, and skin. Used carelessly, it can harm your thyroid and expose you to toxins. The difference is education. And now, you know the full story. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone curious about sea moss.